know, we there, man, we are going with the vibes in the man, car. Today is a great day, you know? I have to give thanks. Yes, I. You know, say a bigger brothers 101, you know, but, yo, you have to level up them thing of black brothers. Black brothers, must be honest with them. Black Queen. I'm telling you the truth what I'm going right now. The system. I never see so much mad youth from me born until all my life I never see so much mad youth yet. I know the amount of mad youth I see. I'm gonna check on this thing. People are going mad right now. People are crazy. I don't know them crazy. Cause in this crisis, all me say I go on, everything I raise and pay I raise. Pay stand up one place. Sardine move from $80 gone at $250. Mackerel is same. Everything raised in a supermarket. 1 ton of steel right now is for $150. One bag of cement is for $1,250. If we go for around next month, $1,400. And everybody what they work. All who they work, who for pay na decrease, na increase, it just stagnant. So me there the one that say what they happen. Black people have more problem than COVID-19 right now. You see, Jamaica overall have more problem than COVID-19 right now. You see, food gone up. All who they work, me say them pay stand up one place now move stagnant. Still not stop run. One sheet of ply right now, a man could have built a ply room. Right now, a man can't build a ply room, you know. No man can build a ply room again. Cause one piece of ply right now is for $8,945. And I can bet you by Friday ply gone about 12,000 or 15,000. Look for one ply when they sell for 3,500. Reach at $8,995. That's $945. That's, you know how much that? That's a little bit less than 9,000. I mean, look for people pay. Some people they work Sunday, from Sunday to Sunday. And then pay no step up one bit. So me I wonder, what go happen in a jam down here? Because right now in Jamaica we there again now jam down. Because right now, all me see, Tufton and Brother Holderness they worry about is COVID-19. And we have more problem here than COVID-19. Yes, we have more problem than COVID-19. Because first thing, the people them take all the money and left the gun them give the youth them. And the youth them is like a mad dog going crazy right now. Kawa, them are hungry. The youth them is like a mad dog going wild. Me never see so much crazy youth from a band. Me never see so much mad youth. When you check all the community when me there, youth there we part skull crack. Got too much subject to walk up and down on road. Fully mad. Me don't know. Me never see this from a band. Young girls. I don't think gonna see prostitution yet. Well, I don't even think gonna see it yet. Brother, let's look for the people in our work. You go have more at everybody. Just imagine who in our work. Just imagine people who are not working right now. How they gonna survive? Chicken back move from $100 gonna 380 a pound. Mutton, goat meat. I want if you buy a goat food right now, I want $1,000 a plate you have to pay for. If you buy oxtail, it's $1,000 a plate. Just imagine that. Imagine a man apart no eat all meat for how long. You can't buy vegetable neither, you know. Because vegetable well expensive. Gone your broccoli, your cauliflower, your celery. Onion and then something that well expensive. What poor people go do? Black people have more problem than COVID-19 right now in Jamaica. Jamaican people have more problem than COVID-19 down in a jam down here. Because me there look, nothing about it no nice. Nothing about it don't nice. And I can bet you know, you see by Friday, one does no say apply, they are 13,000. Or Saturday, or probably by Monday, it will be at 15,000 for one sheet apply. Still, so much at 200,000. But people only just there, only not look, only not do nothing. Gas gone up. I buy $5,000 gas still and not even move a 3 bar. I have 3 bar gas. The cheapest thing I see on the market right now is water. And you see them raise water. But I wonder say what go happen? What go happen? We need answers. We need aid. Black people living in Jamaica right now need help. Jamaica have more problem than just COVID-19. COVID-19 at least. No, we not worry about all who COVID-19 take over now. All who dead and gone, them tell them want to rest them gone. Rest in peace to them. But we have more problem than COVID-19 right now. COVID-19 at least have a problem. Because $500 have no value right now. Hey, 100,000 is like $100. If you don't know. But what I wonder, everything else I see raise, I'm not hear nobody say them pay gone up. Me one girl that ball say him pay cut. Cut from 6,000 to 3. People only get 30,000 a 2 weeks for them pay. Start getting 19, 18. What they happen? And when you look flour raise, sugar raise, rice raise. What people are going to do now? I don't know here on the radio every day. COVID-19 this, COVID-19 that. Wear your mask, sanitize, wash your hand. That's one. Wear your mask, sanitize, wash your hand. That's one. Me no hear nobody come on and say, yo, oh, pray no raise. Oh, hey, price control, you need to come through. Anybody will control price, you need to come check on it something. Boy, oh boy. Rough, you know? And you go rougher. These people are wicked, man. Yeah, man, no joke. Ply. And then you know the wickedest part of it? The people them take all the money and left the gun them give the youth them. Where youth them for the more than work the gun them? They don't know say, no. Only if you take all that money and left the gun them give youth them. My.